doctor said,
Hey, Faber,
he said he just
come here.
had
I'm doing a video.
you got with high arches.
Yeah.
You know, later on in life.
So what are you wearing, Faber? You're wearing a hat.
Yeah, my mom's ready to cut
So
it.
what kind of hat is that?
A dog hat.
A dog hat?
No, kitty hat.
A kitty hat?
No, dog.
Oh, dog hat? It's very, very pretty. What colors do you have on it? Yeah.
You can answer it.
You just look so pretty. Here, I gotta. You do. You look so pretty with that hat on.